In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the what if analysis feature in MyDegree Tracker to explore a college minor. This tool allows you to evaluate the existing and current academic coursework against a possible declaration of a minor. We will refer to MyDegree Tracker as your audit. Let's get started. Click on the what if label on your audit. On the drop-down menu for minor, click on the minor that you want to explore. In this example, we will choose the minor in psychology. Once the psychology minor is chosen, scroll down to the process button and click on it. This will generate a new audit using existing coursework that includes a section for the college minor. Scroll down to find the psychology minor section. Here it is. You will notice that the minor does not have any coursework that pulled in from the existing list of courses that have been completed because none have been taken. However, let's say that you've completed at least 2 history courses, and history minor might be an option. Scroll back up and click on the academic label button, and in doing so, it will reset the what if search when you go back in. Again, we will search the history minor. Click on history, scroll down and click on process to generate a new audit. And then scroll down to the minor section. And here's the minor in history. You will notice that 2 courses were pulled in from the academic coursework that has been completed to date. The first one is History 101, and the second one is History 315. So it's possible that the minor in history might be a better fit than the psychology minor. And if that's the case, then you might want to consider declaring the college minor in history, and in doing so, to include it in your degree audit. And if you are interested in doing so, it's very simple. You can visit the Office of Academic Advising website and submit a request form, or you can reach out to your regional campus academic advisor to declare the minor in history. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.